Hi YouTubers, it's Kim, and I'm back for a minute just to show you three pair of earrings that you can make today. And these are so cute. I have been going to Joanne Fabrics, and Heidi and Joe's is really up in their inventory and making it look so doggone cute. I mean, you can make these earrings and really sell them for a decent price to your family, your friends, or wear them yourself, give them away as gifts. Mother's Day is coming, and these are just 3 earrings. They so easy to make, y'all. So easy to make. Just 3 pair of earrings. The components for these right here, just the bottom piece, this piece right here is the only piece you'll get. You get that from Joanne Fabrics, okay? And so we're going to start with that one. So easy to make. I'm going to put these to the side. And here it is right here. Here's the earring right here. And it looks just like this when it comes. And you get them from Joanne Fabrics. Joanne Fabrics, they are so cute. They look better in person than they do on camera. Okay, drop that. Here's the 2 components. All we need is, what is it? A jump ring and an earring hook. Here's the earring hook. Now Teddy is going to start acting crazy. An earring hook right here. And a jump ring. Okay? Your round nose pliers and your flat nose pliers. Round nose pliers. No, this is a flat nose, I'm sorry. And I'm looking for a round nose. My pliers is getting really bad, y'all. Okay. And just open up a jump ring. Little jump ring. This is for beginners, because I know some of y'all definitely know how to do this. And hook it onto the earring hook. And close it. I remember when I first started learning how to do jewelry, this lady came on there to teach you how to close the earring, to teach you how to close a jump ring. She said it's supposed to click when it closes. Sometimes mine do and sometimes it don't. And then of course find you a thing to put them on when you get finished. These are so cute. Every time I open my little jewelry bag, this is one of the first items people want, is these little cute earrings. You get them from Joanne Fabrics, and right now, if you go there right now, they got them buy one get one half off, I think. But they adorable. Okay, so that's that one. Now this one, just a little bit more. My dog might start making noise. Stop! No. Just a second, okay, guys? Teddy, don't start that dog noise. Don't start that noise. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. I had to get the mop on. Okay. Now this one's just a little bit different, okay? Here's the earring right here. It's adorable too. And of course, like I said, you get the base from Joanne Fabrics. It's a Heidi and Joe earring. And you just fix it any way you want to fix it when you get it. Okay? When you get it, it's going to look like this. It's going to look just like this when you get it. Okay? with a little hole at the top. So what we need, because I like to put, I like to make my own little hook for it. You can get them already that has the little hook on it. It has a little hook on the end. They're called stick pins. I wish I had one I could show you right quick. Yeah, I do. But I like to make my own. They look like this. Pull one out right quick. Come in a little plastic bag like this. But Heidi and Joe is, oh my God, I love their stuff. Okay, so here's a stick pin. I forgot what they call these. They have a little hook on the end. You could use that. But I make my own easy peasy ones out of thicker wire. I just bend. You just take the wire. I've been working on my camera trying to make it best as I can, but it's still not working good for me. Okay, you just take the wire and bend it a little bit at the end. I'm just showing you how to make a hook. Bend it a little bit at the end, and you take it, rub it right there, make sure it's not sticking out, make a loop. Oh, wait a minute. Make a loop. Wow, girl. Make a loop. Bend it all the way around and turn it around. See, it's coming up to be a little loop now. Turn it all the way around. Push it in with your finger. Then stick it in there and just turn it like this. And look at there, you got your own little loop. And this is a thicker wire. That other one is a little thinner. It's up to you which one you want to use. And you take your jump ring, and I used a tiger eye bead because these are so cute. See those tiger eye beads? I love these. I love working with these. Just put it on the bead, and then take your round nose pliers, go all the way down, and bring bend your wire. Go as close as you can to the bead. Bend your wire. Cut it off some, of course, so you can make another loop on the other side of the earring. Put it in there just a little bit. Or like I said, you can buy your own, but you're still gonna have to make that one little end loop on the other end. So that's why I make my own. So bend it, and then you got another loop there, and you're gonna have to do a little here and there. Okay, so don't bend it all the way. Just leave it like that so we can put it on here. So take your little earring that you're getting from Joann Fabrics. Take that and put it in that hole, in that loophole, and close it. And close it. And so there you go. You got it finished. You got your bead on there, connected to your earring, and now all you have to do is connect it to a post that you're going to stick in your ear. And I like these little posts right here. These little gold posts. I hope you can see it because they're so small. What happened to them? Oh, here it is. Okay. You can get these from Joann Fabrics too. They're little gold posts with a little hole on it. Can you see that? It's got a little hole on it. So leave it open. Leave your earring open. Just a little bit. so you can put that that earring post on there so you can wear them. And put it in the hole and close it. And tighten it a little bit. You want to make sure. Then you just take your little back earring piece, put it on here, put it on one of these, and stick your little fastener on the back of the earring that you're going to use when you either seal your earrings, whatever you do with them. It's a fastener that you know you have to put on the back of them. We want to know what it is. Mine is so tiny. Okay, hard to see. Okay. Had to get rid of some of my light, but Heidi and Joe is, oof. Oh, they really doing it up. And that is it for these. And check these out. Now you know these is cute. Tell me they ain't cute. Okay? That's it. And these is done, ready to wear, ready to sell. And ready to get going with these. They're nice, they're gold. You get them from Heidi and Joe's. Like I said, you know what? Listen, they were turned around on the other side because they should be turned around on this side. Okay, get them from Heidi and Joe's. Just the bottom piece. So you gotta have a hoop, the earring hoop. You gotta have a bead. Gotta have a bead to put on there. And then you gotta have this little top piece right here, which is the hook that you stick in your ear. Okay, and these is too cute. Okay, and last but not least, because I want to show you something else, is these. These is cute too. But you need the earring base to go with this one. But ain't those cute? And of course, these look better in person, of course. They look better in person. But they cute. But you need this piece right here. This piece right here is the piece that you need. Okay? So let's make that right quick. Now this one is easy peasy. You just need, let's see, what did I do with my stuff? You just need an earring hoop. A jump ring. And you need to open up the jump ring. So let's open it up. It was already on the earring, sorry. So the jump ring is already connected to the earring, I'm sorry. Okay, so open up the jump ring. I'm going to get this camera working good one of these days. Open up the jump ring and connect it to the bottom of the base of this this little earring thing right here. I think they call them earring connectors. This is an earring connector, and you can get these from Amazon. Bead landing, things of that nature. You can't just go in the store. The only ones you can really get out the store is the one that I just showed you, the one with the little ball on it. So, but this is really cute. It has a little stick pin on the back. It's all ready to go. You can wear this as an earring by itself, or you can connect it to this like I'm doing. So just connect it to the bottom because it has a little hole on the bottom. Little hole on the bottom. And just close it. And it's done. And you got another pair of earrings. that are cute to wear. Just connect that little earring part on the back of it. Wait a minute. You gotta make sure you connect it the right way, or it's not gonna sit facing the front. So let's do that again. I'll do it right this time. So take that out here. And then let's do it one more time. Because we want it to face to the front, not to the back. Just put it right in that hole. Sometimes you wonder. Okay, put it in that hole, and then connect it to the little bottom down there, and close it. Close the jump ring, and then I'll put this on right this time, and then connect it to the earring. I'll put it on here so you guys can see it really good, and then put the little backing on there. Bam! Wow, look at that. Look at those. And look at this. I brought that to go with these. Okay, let me see. This better for you with the gold chain. Now all I did, because you get this by itself, and I got this from Michael's. All I did was add a chain to it. It's a tiger eye. It looks like a tiger-eyed filling right here, but it matches these earrings perfectly. It's like a gold base right there, gold right there. This is gold, this is gold, and it just matches these earrings perfectly. Okay, so this was cute too. So that's it for today, and tomorrow I hope to come back with 2 to 3 pieces of leather bracelets to make. Okay, 2 to 3 pieces of leather bracelets to make. Thanks, guys. See you later, and make sure you go on Joanne Fabrics and get you some earrings and make them out of Heidi, from the brand name Heidi and Joe, because they are really making some nice stuff. See you later.